Get out the way. Get out the way. I'm coming right for you. Get out the way.
Hi everybody, and welcome to free electrifying editions of the Toyota Supra Mach. We're doing issue 42, 43, 44. It's all about putting electrics in the car. So if you enjoy watching these, don't forget, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and leave us a comment. So without further ado, we will crack on. Okay, what we'll do, we'll go through the magazines first. As I say, there's not much to do in this. So okay, issue 42. We'll quick click through the magazine. So as I say, we're going to get the main circuit board with the wires. We're going to put that in the car, wire some of the wires that are in the car, and then plug the other wires in. 43. We'll go through the magazine. Again, more wiring, just telling us where we're going to plug them in. And 44. Oh, cheap. And exactly the same. Excuse the clock going off there. More wiring, just put more wiring in. That's it for them issues. So there's the ports. And also with this pack you did get another one of these. So another one of them to build. So that came with this pack. So I'll get the car down, get that opened, we'll get that installed and do the first, and then we'll get the wiring done. So I'll be back in a tick. Alright, we're going to get this piece, chassis here at the back. There's no dent, so the line needs holes up. Put the screws and looking at the instructions, it looks as though that is the right way. Make sure I get these in the hole. Now you don't want to lock this down too tight or you'll break the circuit board. But you don't want too slack where it moves about either. So I'll get these. one more. Okay. Nice. What happens is you look at the hexagon fishing label here, L, and find the L on here. Which by the looks of it is there. I just plug it in. And G. My whole job is finding the numbers. So I'll go there. Let's see this G. If I go up. G and K. Make sure you get them in the right way and not like that. Why is that key not going in? Good. And basically, that's all I'm going to be doing. They're only going one way. So it then tells us to get E. I can't test these. Which looks like yeah. I can't test these till next month when we get there. And then we're gonna go B. B. So I'm not going to unwrap them till I test them. So where is B? B, look as though it's all the way up here. because what happens, we'll get all these in and we're going to test them, and I think we're told to take them all out. This one is D. We have to open after this one a little bit. Because it's too short. That is D. Let's go to the next page. And if I'm right, D is in there. Now you're not going to want to sit and watch me put all these cables in. So basically we've just done 42 there. So I'll do 43 and 44, get the cables in, come back, show you it, and as I say, next pack comes, we'll test them. So be back in a tick. Okay everyone, I'm stuck. I've opened pack 44, as you can see, and I'm supposed to have a circuit board for these. Missing. I've checked the box and everything. It's nope, not there. So I'm going to have to put this on hold until I get them. But that's basically what we're doing. We're putting the wires in like that. But so I'm going to take a photograph of that. I'm going to get in touch with Fan Home, and I'm going to tell them I need another issue 44. So so all I can do is, you know, the papers, I've checked the boxes, everything. It was sealed in a packet, but there's no circuit board in there. And according to the instructions, according to the thing, I'm supposed to have a small PC board and trunk light wires. Well, there's the wires, but not the board. Because the first thing you do is plug the damn wires into that PC board, but unfortunately it's missing, so I will have to contact Fan Home. So that'll stop us. So that'll stop us from next pack's due soon. That's going to stop us doing that. Starting the next pack. Yeah, I've checked everywhere. It's not down anywhere. So if I just open it up, put it on there, not there. Right. Okay then. I will end this stream, and once I get the new pack and the replacement pack, and then the new pack come, I'll get back to the car. So until then, I'll catch you again soon. So bye for now.